So today we will do question number 8 of exercise 19.2, right? So exercise 19.2, question number 8. So question number 8 says that a cylindrical vessel open at the top has its base of radius 10.5 centimeter and height 14 centimeter. It means you have a cylindrical vessel, means you have a cylinder like this whose radius of the base is given to you as 10.5 centimeter, right?
Yes,
And height is given how much? 14 centimeter. And they are saying that this cylindrical vessel is open at the top. मतलब ऊपर से खुला है, like your glass, which is cylindrical in shape. So you have a cylindrical vessel which is open from the top. Its radius of the base is 10.5 centimeter and height is 14 centimeter. Now they are saying that you have to find the cost of painting the inner part of the vessel at the rate of rupees 10 per 100 square centimeter. Rupees 100 per centimeter square. It means you have to paint this cylindrical vessel from inside, अंदर से. जैसे suppose you have a glass which is cylindrical in shape, obviously your top will be open and you have to paint the inner surface area. तो अगर आपने ग्लास के अंदर पेंट करना है उसको, तो आप क्या क्या पेंट करोगे? कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया पेंट करोगे एंड देन द सर्कल इन द बॉटम, उसको पेंट करोगे. तो आपको कितना एरिया पेंट करना है? कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया plus the area of the circle. You are not painting the total surface area. Let me tell you. You are not painting the total surface area. Why? Total surface area में ऊपर वाला circle भी आता है. पता है ना आपको? In total surface area we have curved surface area plus the bottom which is circular and the top also which is circular. But here your cylindrical vessel is open from the top. तो आप ऊपर वाले सर्कल को इंक्लूड नहीं करोगे. सो इट्स नॉट योर टोटल सरफेस एरिया, ठीक है, एंड इट्स ऑल्सो नॉट योर कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया. इट इज मोर देन कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया एंड लेस देन टोटल सरफेस एरिया, राइट. तो यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे? कितना एरिया पेंट करना है वो निकालेंगे. कैसे निकालेंगे? कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया प्लस एरिया ऑफ वन सर्कल, राइट. ओके, सो नाउ you can write radius equal to 10.5 centimeter, height equal to how much? 14 centimeter. Now we will find first curved surface area. What is the formula for curved surface area? Very good. 2 pi r h, right? Okay, and okay, we will find the area of circle later and we'll add to it, or we can add here also if you wish. Here or later? Here? Okay, then we will not write here curved surface area, we will write here area to be painted. Okay, area to be painted, and that is equal to 2 pi rh, which is your curved surface area, plus pi r square, that is the area of circle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in the bracket here you can write curved surface area below this, plus here you can write area of circle. Okay, if you write like this, you will not later on if you go through the solution, you will not face problem in understanding what it is. Okay, so let us, what do you want? Should I take pi and r common, or we solve like this only? Okay, we solve like this only. Okay, so 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 10.5 into height is 14 and then plus pi r square. Pi is 22 by 7 into r square means 10.5 into 10.5. Okay. So now the 7 and 14 cancel out?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now simplify this. So after calculating or simplifying this, you will get 924, and after simplifying it pi r square, you will get 346.5, and after addition you will get 127.05. So it's not 127.05, it's 1270.5, right? So this is the area to be painted. So area to be painted is 1270.5 centimeter square. Now in the question, cost of painting is given. They are saying that the cost of painting is rupees 10 per centimeter square. It means to paint 1 centimeter square, you have to pay rupees 10. And how much you want to paint? You want to paint 1270.5 centimeter square. So how much money you will pay? How you will calculate that? We will divide or multiply. Louder. What we will do? For 1 centimeter, you have to pay rupees 10 for 1 centimeter square. अगर आप
100 centimeter.
Okay, it's per 100 square centimeter. Okay. So in the question, they are saying that you have to pay rupees 10 for painting 100 centimeter square. So let us first understand that and then we will do. How much area is to be painted? 1270.5. Okay. So it means what is given? Cost of painting 100 centimeter square is equal to rupees 10. Right?
Yes.
So what will be the cost of painting 1 centimeter square? What will be the cost of painting 1 centimeter square? 10 upon 100. And we want to paint 1270.5 centimeter square. Therefore, cost of painting 1270.5 centimeter square is equal to 10 over 100 into 1270.5 rupees. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you will simplify this and you will get the amount to be paid for painting this area. Right? Simplify this. So after simplifying this, you will get rupees 127.05. It means you will pay this much money for painting your cylindrical vessel. Right?